Hello everyone. Our planet holds great beauty, but also untamed power and deep mystery. From fierce storms to strange and unexplained natural events, let's join Slice Top 5 brings you real, jaw-dropping moments that show nature's wildest side. These are the scenes that leave us in awe and sometimes in fear, captured as they happened. No scripts, just raw reality. Brace yourself. This rare phenomenon struck Sicily on November 16, 2021. A waterspout making landfall, morphing instantly into a fierce dust tornado.
In water, there's another water tender on powerhouse.
On July 26, 2018, a devastating fire whirl erupted during the Carr Fire in Redding, California. A blazing tornado with winds over 140 miles per hour. Nature doesn't get more brutal than this. Lightning ripped through a Shanghai street in May 2017, striking a tree just meters from waiting cars. That's so dangerous. This phenomenon occurred in May 2018 when lava from Hawaii's Kilauea volcano poured into the ocean, creating plumes of toxic steam, a stunning yet savage display of Earth reshaping itself.
Oh my God!
Dude, look at that mother.
Yeah, dude.
What the?
God.
This phenomenon is a tornado that struck the plains of Iowa in 2022, lifting debris
Dude, it
high
just
into the
shredded
air
that
as it
grain
moved
bin.
across farmland. Intense wind and hail swept through Arkansas on March 31, 2023, during a powerful derecho that damaged homes and uprooted trees. Large hail blanketed rural New South Wales on December 19, 2018, as severe storms swept across eastern Australia.
Zeus. I'm Zeus. I'm literally the god.
Every year, lightning can kill around 2,000 people worldwide. A massive rock slide cascaded down the Alborz Mountains in northern Iran on July 25, 2015, following days of heavy rain. A rare roll cloud drifted over Lake Michigan on June 24, 2019, forming as cold air undercut warm, moist air along the shoreline. This phenomenon was recorded near Biloxi Bay Bridge on September 8, 2021, where a waterspout formed over the Gulf of Mexico during a line of coastal thunderstorms. Incredible sight. This phenomenon occurred along the coast of Cornwall on February 9, 2020, when Storm Sierra whipped up massive sea foam that blanketed the shoreline. What a scene. This phenomenon appeared on August 15, 2022, when a dust devil spun through a crowded beach parking lot in Malaga, Spain. This phenomenon occurred on February 6, 2022, when a massive chunk of the hanging glacier collapsed in Quilot National Park, Chile, sending ice crashing into the valley below.
Ano si New Antonio? Talagdang capo! Arriti si butto! Arriti si butto! Antonio non è!
Sheets of river ice piled up along the shore of Surrogate, Russia on April 21, 2020, as strong winds forced an ice shove inland. A lightning bolt struck a residential rooftop in Oklahoma on May 26, 2020, during an intense nighttime thunderstorm.